Hey guys, it's Blaze if you're here, and welcome back to another video of nature. And guys, first of all, I want to say I'm extremely sorry for not recording. I actually bought a new I don't know what to call it, but I bought a new recording kind of setup thing. So yeah. Now right now I have something to do, and if the wind gets a little loud, guys, I am very sorry for that. But what I am doing today is wait, does this key work? Yeah. So what I am doing today is just checking stuff on this bike right here, because once I get it all good and ready, me and my pop, when he comes back, are going to ride bikes together. There we go. Oh guys, that was fun. Okay, so here is, hold on, there we go, there's the bike, and the position I've put it in, kinda weird. Let's see. Okay, here we go. And guys, if you don't know, I am doing another giveaway of a fidget spinner. Now, the ways, sorry guys, that loud noise was the pegs against a shovel. But the way you would enter the contest and possibly win is by going, oh no, oh god, okay, we gotta keep that door open somehow. No, whatever. Okay. So, if you want to enter, I will tell you right now. All you have to do is go to your Twitter and Instagram and add me on both. My Twitter is Blaze space of space THUE space night. And my Instagram is Blaze space of space THUE space night. Wait, no, that's not right. Guys, oh, sorry guys, I gave you the wrong information. My Instagram is Blaze space of space FUREY, just like on YouTube, which you are watching this video now. Okay, so I'm gonna, I guess, leave it open because I'm gonna be right here. Let's get this bike up. And sorry if the video is a little wobbly or whatever, guys. Okay, I'm not gonna be able to get this to stay up, but here's a shot of the bike now. So, pretty cool. Got the pegs on. I did that yesterday. I tried to record yesterday before I got my new thing, but it wouldn't upload, so I thought it was time for me to get better quality stuff. And guys, I am going to attempt to ride this with one hand. For me, that's hard. Oh, and guys, this bike has been in the shed As you can see, the tires are flat, but this bike has been in the shed longer than I was even alive, guys. I'm pretty sure, so maybe like 15, 20 years. And as you might have guessed, I am not that old, so bug on me. So, I guess this is my time. Okay, the brakes do work, so. Oh, guys. Hold up, guys. Hold up. It might not seem very hard to you, but the problem is the tires are flat. This is gonna be hard. Okay. Yo, guys, this is so hard. I'm annoying, but you guys will do it. Wait. Oh, God. Okay, so I know the video is shaky. It's because I don't have a stand to hold this. But, yeah, I was just riding it, and if you couldn't hear the tires, I think you need a hearing aid, because those things, they squeak like crazy. But, I'm just gonna check it today, and hope for the best that everything's good. I'm sure it won't be that hard to fix anyway. See, tires, the front here and the back over there, are both flat. Like, if you've ever, if you have a bike or something, and, if you have it in there for, like, the winter, they're gonna go flat in cold weather, usually, or in just any weather at all, because, over time they lose air. And, guys, you won't believe, like, look at that. You can just, I'm sure, yeah, you can just, like, yeah, I'm sure you could, like, pull them off right now. I'll be quiet so you can hear the sounds the tires make. Yeah, guys, so it's bad. I got the pegs in, as I said earlier. I have to work on the brakes, I think, because the back, hold on, let me see. Okay. Okay, so these are the back. Wait, hold on. As you can see, they're moving. Right there, look. Hold on, guys. Yeah, hopefully you can see them moving. And then, oh God, guys, the dog's back from, wait, no, that's a different dog. Or are there two dogs? Okay, there's two different dogs from last time, so, let's see. Do the front work? I don't see anything. Okay, guys, I do, like, whenever I see an old bike, I always do a little test, I flip it upside down, roll the tires, and see if the brakes work. Okay, so let me figure out, are these the back or the... Okay, something just happened with the brakes. Yeah, they need to be lubed up or something. Okay, so these are the front. That's the front. Okay, so guys, I'm gonna spin the tire, and then I'm gonna hit this brake right here with my foot. And hold on, let me see. Okay, guys, I'm gonna spin it. Then, okay, so guys, spin it, then hit the brakes now. So it does stop. Check once more. Okay, so they do work. The front work. Now, the back. So I'm guessing, wait, hold up. Oh, guys. Okay. These back brakes are like giving me a problem here. It looks like it. Now hit the brakes. Okay, so I'd say the front here works. The front brakes works a lot better for the for stopping, and the back brakes not so much, which is okay. So yeah, and oh my gosh, the wind. So I mean, this bike hasn't been touched for like, I've got to say, like 15-20 years, as I said earlier. And look at that. If you guys can see the chain, it's still crazy, all oiled up still. And it hasn't been touched for a while, guys. And when I say that, I mean a while. So, yeah. This is pretty good, guys. If you don't know how to put pegs on a bike, I will show you right now. So this is like, sorry, I hit myself with a peg. These are actually pretty big. Each one is like 5 pounds. Okay, so you take your peg, right? You get the little end with the tiny hole, not the big hole, tiny hole, and then you should see a little bolt there, right there. Stick the whole end on there and spin. Now, if you're spinning the wrong way, that's okay, just spin the wrong way. And you'll know if you're spinning the wrong way, because if it doesn't get, if it falls off, it means you're spinning the wrong way. Keep spinning until it gets really tight. As tight as you can. And then it should be good. So that's how you put on a peg on a bike. Now, these little bolts will be, they should be on the front and back. I think some bikes just might have the back. I'm pretty sure you could buy pegs too, which is pretty good. So yeah. Guys, I can't screw it on. What's going on, guys? You guys jinx me or something? Oh, what's going on? Is this like stripped or something? There we go. I think there's something stuck in there. There we go. So yeah, it's a good bike. Now we pretty much just need an air compressor for these tires. These are the back tires. Look. Wait, look at this. Let's see. and then the front. Yeah, it's pretty crazy. So yeah, I guess that's the end of our video, guys. I'm Blazy Fury, and I guess that I will see you, all you guys, hopefully, in the next one.